the edge of a loch, a pair of carrion crows hunt in a sodden field. The rising water table has forced worms to the surface, where the crows can feast. Worms may not look nutritious, but they're packed with proteins and minerals. And crows can eat 100 every day. They're a vital food source that'll help see them through the winter. But while the rain may be welcomed by some down in the glens, in the mountains, the relentless downpour and lack of snow, one of the park's rarest residents in grave danger.